Hello friends and welcome back to Marius Makes. In this video I will share with you a chocolate and orange cake perfect for the summer evenings and not only. Serve it cold as a refreshing treat. The cake stays soft and delicate for days. Don't forget, you will find the full list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's start with the cake layers. For the wet ingredients, in a mixing bowl add 300 grams of sugar, 150 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 4 medium eggs lightly whisked, 250 grams of full fat sour cream, the zest of an orange finely grated, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Give everything a good whisk to combine the ingredients. As for the dry ingredients, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 250 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and sift everything over the wet ingredients. Start mixing. I switched to a whisk to make sure there will be no lumps. Grease and line with parchment paper 2 8-inch round baking tins and divide the cake batter between them. Bake them in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in their tins. For the filling, start with an orange curd. In a heat-resistant bowl, add 250 grams of sugar and the zest of 1 orange. Also, add the juice of 2 oranges, about 220 grams, and the juice of 1 lemon, about 70 grams. 250 grams of unsalted butter, 4 medium eggs, and a pinch of salt. Place the bowl over a pot with about an inch of simmering water in it. Place the pot on a medium heat and cook the orange curd until it thickens. Whisk occasionally. This might take about 15 to 20 minutes. You know it's ready when the curd covers the back of the spoon and you can run a finger through it cleanly, like you see in the video. Pour the curd in a tray in a thin layer to help it cool down quickly. Cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge to cool completely. When the cakes are cool, remove them from their tins and slice them in half. Look how soft and delicate they are. Now back to the filling. In a mixing bowl, I have 250 grams of cold mascarpone cheese and 280 grams of cold cream cheese. Mix them both until smooth. Remove the plastic of the orange curd. Add about a third of the curd to a piping bag and set it aside. The remaining orange curd goes over the cheeses. Mix well to combine. I switched to a whisk for ease, but you can also use an electric mixer. Add 300 grams of double cream or whipping cream and beat the filling until it thickens. Now we are ready to assemble the cake. Place a small amount of filling on the cake board or platter to stop the cake from moving around while you work. Place a slice of cake. Add about a quarter of the orange cheese filling. Spread it uniformly. Add some of the curd, another cake layer, and repeat. Cheese filling, curd, cake. For the top, spread almost all of the cheese filling. And I started playing around with decorating it. I have free will, so I'm using it. I've also added some edible rose petals to make it a little bit pretty. Place the cake in the fridge for at least 3 hours or even better overnight before cutting into it. And there you have it, my orange chocolate cake with layers of soft sponge upon layers of delicate cheese filling. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you can find more home cooking videos and recipes on my channel, so go check it out. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on cooking!